Yeah, today I sparked it up again. And it really there ain't much we don't got about to go on here today. We got brat burgers, corn, beef burgers, chicken, ribs, sausage, steak. It's going down today. We got some legs out here. We got that chicken andouille sausage up there in 2 racks. We loading it. Let's go. Yes, sir. The burgers are in the game now. It's going down for real, for real. It's going down in a major way. We got the corn in the game now. We got the brat burgers in the game now. It's going down in a major way. So we got the beef dogs, beef brats, and the rest of them turkey dogs that we'll probably never ever purchase again. But in the meantime, we ain't letting them go to waste. We gonna cook them. It's on like that. Doing our thing out here. Everything almost ready to come off. We don't have to get everything about the way. So we can sauce up them chicken legs and sauce up them ribs. You know what I'm saying? We getting there though. We almost there. My plate is going nuts. I got 3 bones on it. I got this nice steak on it with that garlic butter all over it. That roasted corn, and these greens are going crazy. That's what we do around here. Let's go.